So for today's lesson, we're going to work on 3-digit addition. So let's go ahead and get started just with a sample problem. Let's do 378 plus 586. Okay, so I like to do the traditional method. I'm big on organization. I think the mathematicians from long ago knew what they were doing. Okay, so first you start with the ones place. You have 8 plus 6, that equals 14. Okay, so you bring down the 4, and you carry your 1. Okay, then you have your tens place. So you basically have 8 plus 8, which is 16. You bring down the 6, and you carry your 1. Then in your hundreds place, you basically have 4 plus 5, which is 9. So that gives you your answer of 964. Now we call that a sum. The answer to an addition problem is called a sum. All right, so let's do a couple more examples, and then I'll give you a chance to practice some. Let's try 493 plus 387. Okay, add your ones place first. You get 10, bring down the 0, carry the 1. And basically you have 9 plus 9, right? You think of the 1 and 8 together as another 9. And that would be 18. So you bring down your 8, carry your 1. And then basically here you have 4 plus 4, which is another 8. So you get a sum of 880. Okay? So we do regrouping here, and when we regroup in addition, we call it carrying. You carry it to the next place value. Okay, let me give you one, and I want you to work on it at your seat as you hit pause, and then we'll have you come back and see how you did. Let's try 756 plus 173. Go ahead and try that one. So click pause, and then we'll come back. Okay, so now we're back. In the ones place, 6 and 3 is 9. In the tens place, notice there's no regrouping there, right? Because it's not 10 or more. In the tens place, 5 and 7, that gives you 12. So you bring down the 2, carry your 1. And now in the hundreds place, we have 2 plus 7, and that's going to give us 9. So the sum is 929. Let's try another one. Let's try 567 plus 345. Go ahead and write that one down. Okay, and try that one out. Click pause. Now we're back. Okay, 7 plus 5, that gives you 12. So bring down the 2, carry your 1. 6 and 4 is 10, plus the 1 that you carried, that would be 11. So bring down 1, carry your other 1. And then in your hundreds place, you have 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3. That's going to give you 9. So you have a sum of 912. 912 would be your sum. Okay, let's go ahead and try another one. Let's try 876 plus 678. Okay, so go ahead and click pause, do your problem, and then we'll come back. Okay, so now we're back. 6 plus 8 is 14. Bring down the 4, carry your 1. 7 plus 7 is 14, plus the 1 is 15. So bring down your 5, carry your 1. And now we'll have 9 plus 6, which is 15. Okay, so you have a sum of 1,554. That would be your sum. Okay, let's continue on. Let's try 987 plus 334. Okay, first in the ones place you have 7 plus 4. That equals 11. So you bring down your 1, carry your other 1. Okay, now you're in the tens place. We'll have 9 plus 3, and that gives you 12. So you bring down your 2, and you carry your 1. So here we would have 10 plus 3, that would be 13. So you have 1,321. Okay, that would be your sum of 987 plus 344. Okay. Now, if you struggle with knowing your basic addition facts, then you simply need to practice knowing them. That was something that is supposed to have been mastered in first grade. So if you're in third grade and you don't know your basic addition facts, you just need to put in the extra time to make sure you know them. You should know that 7 plus 8 is 15 instantly. You should know that 9 plus 3 is 12 instantly, so on and so forth. Those are things you just need to know. Yes, you can figure them out by drawing pictures, but it takes so much longer, it makes it possible for you to make a mistake. If you just know them, you won't make a mistake. So make sure if you need to go back and practice them, you do. Okay, let's try one more. Let's try 567 plus 389. Okay, add your ones place. You get 16. Bring down your 6, carry your 1. Okay, then we have 7 plus 8. That's 15. Bring down your 5, carry your 1. Then you have 6 plus 3, that's 9. So you have a sum of 956. Okay, so that is addition of 3-digit numbers. You can come up with all kinds of examples for yourself to practice, and the more you practice, the easier it will get for you. If you already know your basic addition facts and you understand the process of regrouping, then it should already be pretty easy. But if you're struggling a little bit, just like anything else, just practice more.